from planners and journals to school assignments and reports. With our 30-hole punch, you can keep everything neatly together. Today I'm going to unbox it with you, show you everything that's inside, and also demonstrate exactly how it works. Take a look with me. This is the box in which you receive the planner. I'm going to open it now. And what you also get in the package are the rings, 2 white ones and 2 black ones. These specific rings are also available to be purchased separately on our web shop. Additionally, there is also a comprehensive instruction manual included that contains absolutely everything you need to know about using the hole punch correctly. I'll show you now how it works. On the entire hole punch, it's clearly indicated where it will punch holes, along with the markings for the different paper sizes. So the full width is for A4, A5 is marked, A7, and then there's also A6, which you can place here in the corner. Now I'm going to show you how you can punch holes with it. Here I have a sheet of A4 paper. I slide it into the hole punch. It fits perfectly as well. You hold the paper in place. Hand on the button and you move it across the paper, you take it out and you have perfectly punched holes. Here I have a sheet measuring 10 by 15 and using the markings of the circles on the hole punch, I can very accurately align where my holes will go. So when I place it here, I can see that the circles are just at the edge of the paper. So I can also move it a bit more over here. That way there will also be a bit more space left neatly on the sides. So I hold the paper in place again. Hand on the button and over the paper. And then you have beautifully punched holes in a smaller sheet. Another great thing about the machine is that it also has a collection tray. So if you want to make confetti, for example, it's also ideal. And then everything comes out through the bottom. Now for binding. You take your binding rings and your paper. This is actually a very easy click system that these rings have. So all you have to do is bring them together like this and then like this. Then they click together and stay attached. And by the way, they're also very easy to take apart again. So when you're done, you just click it closed. If you want to add something, you can easily click it open again. Now I can thread my A4 sheet here. And for example, I want to add a smaller sheet here as well. Really great for things like children's drawings or schoolwork. And then you can decide yourself where you want to place them in the bundle actually. And you just click them all closed one by one. It's actually just a very simple system. So now I've already made another example here. With a black ring, I've gone through cardstock here, and then what you could also do is add different sizes at different heights. Yes, you can easily combine and mix various different types of paper together in a wide variety of incredibly fun and creative ways. For example, for on the go, if you want to collect some square book things together, drawings, reports, it doesn't matter. It's all very easy to do with the new hole punch. It's important to mention a few more things. Before first use, punch through a test sheet to remove the protective anti-rust film. So keep that in mind when using it for the first time. The capacity of the hole punch is a maximum of 3 sheets of 80-gram paper or 1 sheet of 240-gram cardstock. You shouldn't overload it because then it can get stuck, and that wouldn't be good for the durability of the device. It's also important to mention that it can't punch through plastic or laminated materials, or for example, self-adhesive sheets. In those cases, the system can also get stuck. And another tip, again for the durability of your machine, is that if you want to punch something with a staple in it, be sure to remove the staple first. And that's everything you need to know about the 30-hole punch. The link to the product is below in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye.